Hey everyone, welcome back. We might be only a few weeks away from seeing GoPro's next release, the Hero 14 Black. If history repeats itself, we usually see GoPro cameras arrive in early fall, so September or October feels very likely. Last year's Hero 13 came out around this time, and with the competition heating up from Insta360 and DJI, GoPro really needs to bring something fresh to the table. Now don't get me wrong, GoPro cameras are still capable of producing some of the best action footage out there, but they've had some ongoing weaknesses that can make them frustrating to use. The biggest one for me has always been software stability. Past models have had issues with freezing, shutting down unexpectedly, or forcing you to pull the battery just to get them working again. It's better than it used to be, but still not perfect. For the Hero 14, I'd love to see GoPro either polish the current firmware until it's rock solid, or completely rebuild it for reliability. Another area that needs attention is audio. Right now, if you want professional sound, you need adapters or the media mod, which isn't very convenient. The Bluetooth option has been hit or miss too. I'd like to see simple direct USB-C microphone support, no extra gear required. Even better, GoPro could design their own microphone that integrates seamlessly with the camera. Considering how many people use these cameras for vlogging or recording adventures, having reliable audio built in would make a huge difference. Battery life is another challenge. The newer batteries helped, but they still don't match what we get from rivals. Charging times are slow, and there's no true fast charge option like we see on other action cams. Being able to plug in and reach 80% in 20 minutes would make life so much easier when you're traveling or shooting all day. On the image side, a bigger sensor and a faster processor would go a long way. That would improve low-light performance for sunrise, sunset, or shaded areas where GoPros still struggle. I'd also like to see a larger rear screen, which would make framing and menu navigation more comfortable. And while 8K recording isn't essential, it could be useful for those who like to crop or reframe footage in post without losing quality. One thing GoPro got right with the last model is the magnetic mounting system, and I really hope they stick with it. In fact, it would be nice if they included at least one mount in the box instead of selling it separately. And it'd be great to see GoPro explore accessories that connect magnetically for charging or extended power, keeping setups clean and cable-free. Finally, I'd love to see more advanced tools for time-lapse directly in the GoPro app. For creators who love shooting time-lapse sequences, having built-in editing features would save a ton of time and make the app more useful overall. So those are the main things on my wish list for the Hero 14 Black. GoPro has the potential to take the lead again, but it'll come down to whether they push forward on these improvements. What features do you hope to see? Let me know in the comments, and thanks for watching.